Rajya Sabha MP, an outgoing NPP president, has asserted that few voices of one or two MPs will not be heard in Parliament and all it requires is numbers to be heard in the Parliament. The statement came from Kharlukhi while reacting to the pending demands of the state, such as ILP and the inclusion of Khasi and Garo language in the 8th schedule. Stating that he does not believe in the idea of dividing the Northeast, Kharlukhi added that all the northeastern states should come together for its voices to be heard.
We have raised not only Mapala raised, Agathar raised on this key issue. It ends there. It reached nowhere. Because my feeling is until and unless you have a president that is like 15-20 in the Lok Sabha and in the Rajya Sabha, at least that big voice will be known as the voice of the Northeast. So this, and I don't believe in the narrow idea of dividing the Northeast. All of us should come together, irrespective of race, irrespective of anything, but for the sake of Northeast, we should come together. Only then our voice will be heard.